What's the meaning of ark? Ark. Ark.
Ark. Ark. Ark refers to a large vessel or container used to store and transport goods or animals, particularly during a flood. In religious contexts, the term is often associated with the biblical story of Noah's Ark, which tells of a great flood that covered the earth and was survived only by Noah, his family, and 2 of every kind of animal, all of whom were housed in an enormous ark. The significance of the ark is linked to its role as a symbol of safety, security, and refuge in times of danger or crisis.